powers and what are exponents? Please see on the whiteboard.
No, topic is powers and don't write. Powers and exponents. Okay, now see here. Earlier we have started repeated multiplication we have done. Suppose if we multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, suppose we have writing like that. 6 multiply, how many times 6 is multiplied? 4 times. So we can write 6 raised to power 4. 6 raised to power 4. How many 6 is multiplied? How many times? 4 times. So yes, 6 raised to power 4. Very good. It means your 6 is a base and 4 is a exponent. What is called? Exponent. Base 6 is a base and 4 is a exponent. An exponent is a number of times the base will be multiplied to itself. Okay, what is exponent? Exponent, what is this exponent? Exponent is the number of times the base will be multiplied to itself. Okay, and what is base? 6 is a base here. So what is base? Base is the number which is repeatedly multiplied by itself. Means like that, 6 is multiplied repeatedly. Same number is multiplied repeatedly, that is a base. And how many times the base number is multiplied, it is called exponent. Okay, see one more example. If I write 7 raised to power 6. If I write 7 raised to power 6, it means 7 is a base and 6 is an exponent, or we called as power. Exponent we called as power. So how we read this term 7 raised to power 6? We read 7 raised to power 7 raised to power 6. Clear? We read it as 7 raised to power 6. Okay, so 7 is a base, 6 is a exponent. It means 7 raised to power 6 means 7 is multiplied 6 times. Is multiplied 6 times. Okay, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It means 7 is multiplied 6 times. So we can write 7 raised to power 6. Understood all of you? Okay. If I write, yes, good. See the next concept. If I write, you have to remember. See here. I show you one thing. You have to write this. Listen, base 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 5. It means 2 is a base and 5 is an exponent. Okay, 2 is a base and 5 is a exponent. Clear? Then what is base? Base is the number. What is base? Base is the number which is repeatedly multiplied by itself. Base is the number which is repeatedly multiplied by itself. जो अपने आप से ही मल्टीप्लाई बार बार होता है वो उसे हम कहते हैं बेस. क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल हम दे सकते हैं. We can write 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 any number which will be multiplied again and again. Okay, that is base. Next is exponent. Exponent or index is the number of times the base will be multiplied to itself. What is the exponent? Exponent is we called as power. Also we called as power. Exponent. Okay? So means exponent, how many times the number is multiplied. The times you have to write it up on the head of the base. Okay? That is a exponent. Suppose 6 raised to power 4. So 4 is the exponent, means 6 is multiplied 4 times. Is it clear? 6 is multiplied 4 times. So the number of times we multiplied the number, that times we called as exponent or power. Clear? Next is, in general we can say that a multiply a and n times, means we multiply any number of times. So what we write? A raised to power n. A means a number, n means a number of times. Okay, a is any number and n is a number of times we multiplied the number. So a is a base and n is the exponent. I think all of you understood that. Clear? Okay. Next is, remember these points. Any number raised to power 1 gives the number itself. Any number raised to power 1 means 1 has no value. If we write 1 in the power or exponent, it means the number is multiplied only one time. So that will be the same number. So any number raised to power 1 gives the number itself. Like 2 raised to power 1, which is equal to 2 only, because 2 is multiplied one time. है ना? 2 is multiplied one time. Wait. It means 2 raised to power 1 is 2 is multiplied one time only. 2. Okay. 3 is multiplied one time, means 3 only. Clear? Next is, some powers have special names. For example, n raised to power 2, which is n raised to power 2, is also read as n squared. Means when we write 2 in the power or in the exponent, we called as square. And when we write 3 in the power, we write cube. You know earlier this, we have done in the area, square, area and volume. है ना? In area we call that square, and for the volume we called as cube. Like that only. N square means n raised to power 2. 2 we called as square, and 3 if in the power we called as cube. Clear? So n cube is called as n cubed and n square is called as n squared. Okay. Rest all the numbers we read as it is. If we write 4, we write n raised to power 4, n raised to power 5, n raised to power 12, n raised to power 14. Any number we read it as it is. Only 2 we called as square and 3 called as cube. Remember this. Okay, these are the important points. Okay, next is, okay, before that, all of you understood this one? Okay, very good. Now we do some questions on it. First question is, if I give you one question, write the base and exponents. If you have to write, means base and exponents. This is a new concept for you, and listen very carefully and remember. Okay? And whatever you have doubt, you have to write in your copy. Then after class or after I give you some time, then you will ask me. First is, suppose if I write minus 4 raised to power 2. Minus 4 raised to power 2. So in this question, what is the base and what is the exponent? You have to find out. First we write base. What is the base here and what is the exponent here? Tell me. Only raise your hand. Okay, Manat. What is the base here?
Ma'am, base is -4.
Very good. Base is -4. And what is the exponent?
Ma'am, 2.
Very good. 2 is the exponent. Now please hand down. Next question. And mute yourself. If I write 12 raised to power -4. So what is the base here? What is the exponent here? Now I'll ask Agrima Sharma. Unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Agrima.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Ma'am,
is the
base
base
is ma'am, base is 12 and exponent is -4.
Very good. What do you mean by exponent? Can you explain me? What is exponent? Say in your own language. Fine. I don't want the bookish language. What you understand about the exponent, you explain. What is the other name of exponent?
Index.
Index, or one more name I have said.
Power.
Power. Very good. So what is the exponent? Exponent means the number of times. Ye yaad rakho. Exponent means times. The number is multiplied how many times? That is called exponent. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ गया? अब भूलना नहीं. Exponent means number of times the number is multiplied. Okay? Good.
Yes.
Mute yourself now. Next is, if I write -7 raised to power 4, tell me open the number and what is the answer of this number. I have write in the exponential form. Which form is this? This form is exponential form. क्या कहते हैं इस फॉर्म को? Exponential form. ये लिखते जाओ बेटा. This is examples. You have to remember this. This form is exponential form. Means जब इसको मैं exponent की form में लिखूंगी किसी question को, like मैंने, if I write 2 raised to power 3, if I write 5 raised to power 7, okay, so these are exponential form because I have written this number in the exponents with the exponents. So these are exponential form. Clear? If I open it, how I open it, this number? What is the answer of this number? Yes, it means -7 is multiplied 4 times. Okay, so if I open it, it is -7 multiply -7 multiply -7 multiply -7. Okay, I have opened this exponential form in this form. Okay, and we have to write the number. Answer, find the value. So 7 is multiplied 4 times. So when we multiplied, first we see the signs of the number. So minus, what I said you earlier, in the pairs we have to cut the minus sign. So these two minus cut, 1 pair, and these two minus cut with 1 pair. Okay, now minus will be deleted from this number. Only you have to multiply the 4 sevens and tell me the answer. What is the answer? Somebody says 2401. Okay, good. So 2401 is the right answer. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, very good. Okay, see the next. If I give 2 upon 5 raised to power 2. If I give you this number 2 upon 5 raised to power 2, it means, listen very carefully, what is the difference in this and in this? What is it? Both are different because I have put the bracket here on the whole fraction. 2 upon 5 full fraction को मैंने bracket में डाला है, and this square, this 2 is the power of this 2 also and 5 also. Means 2 times multiply होगा और 5 भी 2 times multiply होगा. Clear? But in this part is only of this 2, not of 5, because I have not put bracket here. Okay, so this is a difference, remember. So with this, what is the answer? It means 2 is multiplied 2 times and 5 is multiplied 2 times. Clear? In this, only 2 is multiplied 2 times and 5 is written as 1 time only, because there is no power of 5. Okay, so answer is 4 upon 25. And here answer is 4 upon 5 only. Clear? Okay, I give you one more example. This you understood? The difference of this. Okay, I'll show you one more. If I write 8 upon 3 raised to power 3. It means, one by one I have to explain. It means this 3 is the power of this whole number. This 3 is related to 8 also, and this 3 is related to this 3 also. Means 8 is multiplied, when you open the bracket, it means 8 is multiplied 3 times and 3 is multiplied 3 times. Clear? Because 3 is the power of full number, because it is outside bracket. Then you have to multiply. This is your numerator and this is your denominator. Okay, so numerator, you have to multiply numerator and write in numerator, and you have to multiply denominator and write in denominator here. So anybody tell me the answer? What is the answer? What is the numerator here? Multiply 8 3 times. Okay, 512 upon 27. Good. Diksha, please check your multiplication. Okay. Understood all of you? Now the second concept. Ravinder now understood? You have problem in this? Ravinder. Yes, Ravinder, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Bacha. Now you clear your doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, second concept, mute yourself. Second concept is, if I write 8 upon 3 raised to power 5 only, or if I write 2 here, it means 5 is related to 8 only and 2 is related to this 3 only. Okay, because there is no bracket. So means 8 you have to multiply it 5 times and 3 is multiplied 2 times. Clear? 3 is multiplied 2 times and 8 is multiplied 5 times because according to their powers. So then you have to multiply and write the answer. 3 3s are 9. I'll write it here 9. You multiply 3 2 7 6 8. Okay. 3 2 7 6 8. Ragvi said that this is the answer. Okay. Good. Understood all of you? Okay, now we'll start the exercise 5.1. This is your introduction. All of you understood this one? Any problem? Yes. Have you understood the introduction? Okay, good. Now we start with the 5.1 exercise. Now see this exercise. Your first question is, write the base and exponents of the following. You can do easily, base and exponents. Okay. First is 6 raised to power 6. So what you have to write? You have to write base. Base is equal to 6 and exponent is equal to 6. Clear? Like 3 raised to power 5, second part. Don't write better. 3 raised to power 5. So you can write base is equal to 3 and exponent is equal to 5. Okay? Like that you have to. Please put your hand down. All of you. Yes, very good. So first question, all the parts you have to do it. Clear? Now second. Question number 2. Write the following in exponential form. Now you have to write in exponential form. Okay. Now first is -2 multiply -2 multiply -2. -2 multiply -2 multiply -2. Okay. It means -2, how many times -2 is multiplied? 3 times. So we write 3 here. Okay. This is your exponential form. Yes. Second is k into k into k into k. It means k raised to power k how many times? 4 times. So we write 4 here. K raised to power 4. Okay. Understood? Okay. See one more. If I write, listen very carefully first. First see here. -5 into -5 into a into a into a into a into b. Now how you write? The alphabets are different. So -5, how we write the answer? -5 how many times? 2 times. So we write 2 here. A how many times? 4 times. So we write 4 here. You can multiply in between. Then multiply b how many times? 1 time. So you can write 1 or leave it as it is. It's your choice. So b as it is, or you write, if you write the 1, you can write 1 and the same thing. Okay? Or you can write minus 5 raised to power 2 a4 b. Okay? Multiplication means if you write the different alphabets, number and alphabets, so you no need to write multiplication in between. It is understood all